The Industry 4, Fourth to Forthcoming Industrial Revolution, an initiative to serve the industry and society. Hello everyone, welcome to the Industry 4. I am Kuldeep Kaushik and today I am going to talk about a new topic on the Industry 4. Today I am going to speak on the Industry 4 digital transformation. It's simply the representation of the concept in my perspective and with my point of view. Digital transformation. From a technology perspective, digital transformation can be seen as the implementation of emerging technologies to bring operational efficiencies, increased automation, enhanced customer experience, improved product and services, and to gain competitive advantage and to achieve many more objectives. However, as per the Industry 4 digital transformation context, we can see digital transformation as a journey. With this perspective, we have established and explained this point of view in a step-by-step approach. Let's remember that. Let's understand the concept of digital transformation with a journey context. This concept is derived from the combination of two working environments of an organization. The first environment is projectized environment, where we initiate a new project and consider it closed based on the objective achieved. And the second environment is operations environment, where we continuously run, maintain and improve various functions of an organization. These two environments are not distinct from each other. In real scenarios, we find them complementing each other for the sustainability and growth of an organization. If digitization is the start of journey, initiating a digital transformation projects with reference to recently discussed two environments of an organization, in most of the scenarios we take a digital transformation initiative as a new project or program to achieve a specific technology or business target and objective. As a step-by-step approach, we start our digital transformation journey with the digitization of physical attributes by capturing the targeted physical phenomena and applying the analog to digital conversion. If digitization is the start of journey, then digitalization is the part of journey. Implement digital operations. Again, with reference to the two environments of an organization, in many scenarios the outcome of a project becomes the part of routine operations. For example, the design and development of a new product is a project, whereas its continuous production is part of a routine operations. In the same way, the next step of our digital transformation journey is digitalization. In this step, we integrate the digitized physical attributes into our operations process workflow. In the next step, we automate these digital process workflows to achieve higher operational effectiveness and efficiencies. But neither digitization nor digitalization are our ultimate destination. Moving along the progression path, up to now, we have completed two important milestones of our digital transformation journey for our intended target and our objectives. In the first step, we have digitized our physical attributes, and in the second step, we have utilized these digitized attributes for the creation of digitalized process workflow. With this perspective, we can see that Digitization is the enabler of digitalization and a prerequisite for the successive steps. Then what is our ultimate destination? What next? However, we have achieved digitization and digitalization, but still we cannot claim to reach our final destination. Many times we are in the illusion that we have reached at our final destination by the implementation of digitization and digitalization. But here we need to understand that we are still moving along the progression path of our journey. Based on this situation, now the question arises that what is our ultimate destination? Our ultimate destination. Our ultimate destination is digital transformation. It is digital transformation which is our ultimate journey. Digital transformation is not just limited to technology transformation by the implementation of digitization and digitalization. Digital transformation is about to completely transform our business model. It is about bringing a holistic change to our business model. It is about a paradigm shift for our way we build our business, the way we operate our business, the way we produce our products, the way we deliver our services, and the way we collaborate to build a business ecosystem. But interestingly, it's a unique destination. Digital transformation is a unique journey. This is unique because it is about a holistic transformation of the business model, including people, processes, technology, and culture. It's about the way we create a unique customer experience. Again, in terms of the 3 steps of digital transformation journey: digitization, digitalization, and digital transformations are the transition between project environments and operations environments, where a certain portion of each environment overlaps each other during the execution. A destination without a destination. Influencing factors for a digital transformation program. While observing multiple transitions between project environment and operations environment, we can understand the nature of a digital transformation program in terms of multiple influencing factors. These multiple factors are the influencing forces which impact the execution and motive of any digital transformation program. These influencing forces including but are not limited to volatile and unpredictable business environment, fast-changing technology landscape, demography factors, regulatory compliance, and many more. An endpoint for another start point, a start of a new journey. The influence of these multiple factors impacts a digital transformation program in a diversified way and invites new changes in the program. One of the key impact areas is the business use case itself, based on which we have initiated a digital transformation program. In another circumstance, it might be the scenario that we have achieved the objective of a digital transformation program, but these influencing factors forced us to initiate a new transformation program to achieve a new objective. For example, to regain the competitive advantage in a business environment. An agile destination with continuous journey, an agile approach. From this scenario, we can understand that digital transformation is an agile destination. Digital transformation is a way to add value and enable change in a highly agile environment. It is about true business model agility with continuous transformation. It is a continuous journey by initiating new transformation programs and transitioning between project environments to operation environments to achieve new business objectives. Digital transformation, connecting the dots of Industry 4.0. Digital transformation is about connecting the dots of Industry 4.0, or we can say Fourth Industrial Revolution. This statement reflects that digital transformation is an essential element of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. In fact, we can see the Fourth Industrial Revolution as a digital transformation program with distinct objective focused on individual and specific industry verticals. Industry 4.0 is a broader concept where digital transformation acts as a key enabler to digitize and digitalize the existing products and operations. Thank you for being with us. See you again with our new videos on the Industry 4.